Hey, how you doing? I wanted to talk about today's assignment. We'll get to the music part of the protest anthems. On the slideshow, I've got a few of the most famous Vietnam War protest songs on there. So here's what I want you to tell me. Which song did you think had the best lyrics? I'll tell you right off the bat, I really like the John Prine one. Really sarcastic, and I love the Country Joe and the Fish song. I think that for me, I like sort of a sarcastic tone more than something that just tells the story of what's going on with Vietnam protests. So that might be something you choose, or you just maybe like ones that are really direct. So which song had the best lyrics? What did you like about them? Number two, which song was the best overall? Maybe that's the one you liked the sound of the most, or it was the best combo of lyrics and sound. And then number three, are protest anthems dead? I mean, particularly about political issues. The Vietnam War and the music are essential in the way that they're intertwined throughout the 60s and 70s. I don't know if we have that anymore today. Maybe it's just because I don't listen to enough like current music to know any better, but it seems like you don't see as much of the mainstream music that's as socially conscious as you did in the 60s and 70s. So if you can think of good examples, let me know. That's what I'm looking for right now. So real quick, we've got Fortunate Son from CCR. We've got Buffalo Springfield and For What It's Worth. I think we saw the John Lennon one, but this was the Bed In for Peace. And you also have Imagine, so you can skip those two if you remember seeing them. If not, you want to listen to the lyrics or hear them again, by all means. Country Joe and the Fish, make sure you skip the part that you've got here. Foul language. So anyway, be forewarned. However, that is my favorite song. John Prine, I think he just it was announced that he has COVID-19, which is really unfortunate. He's been really big in the country music scene from the 60s on. He's got really good stuff if you like sort of that singer-songwriter kind of a country folk stuff. But this song's really sarcastic, and I hope you like it. And then, of course, Ohio by Crosby, Stills, Nash & Young. So that's it. Tell me what you think. See you later.